Well, it's finally happened. We're doing a product review. We're taking a look at the MSI MD271 series monitor, and we're going to tell you all the good and the bad things about this monitor. And stick around to find out how you can win this very monitor. The exact model we have here is the MSI MP271PW and can be found on the Visions Electronics website. This is the matte white version, but we also have it available in matte black. Looking at the box, we can see that it says Business and Productivity Monitor, which tells you who this monitor is directed towards, which is business professionals and students who are looking to create Word documents, spreadsheets, and PowerPoint presentations, and less so for creative types or gamers, which we'll get into later. Also on the box, we can see that it's a 2021 Red Dot winner for its sleek design and modern looks. We have an icon indicating that this is an IPS monitor using in-plane switching technology, meaning you're going to get bright and vibrant colors from every angle, unlike older flat screen monitors which use twisted pneumatic technology, which washed out colors and image quality as soon as you started looking at the screen from off-center. The next icon says it has anti-flicker technology, which can help reduce eye strain and fatigue from staring at the screen for long periods of time. Beside it is an icon that indicates that it has a blue light filter, which is great for night owls who work late into the night. This filter should let you fall asleep after finishing up a last-minute email. However, this filter will change the colors on the screen, which is bad if you're a photographer or a creative type who works with colors. This is followed by a Type-C icon, meaning it does have a USB Type-C connector port, which means you can connect devices to it via USB Type-C. You could charge devices, but more impressively, if your laptop supports USB Type-C, you could use a single USB cable to not only pass the audio and video signal to the monitor, but also power your laptop, eliminating the need for an HDMI cable and a laptop charging cable. The final icon indicates it has built-in speakers, which are only 1 watt, so they won't blow you away, but they'll do the trick if you're listening to music or watching a video from your desk. Some other features not listed on the box: a large 27-inch screen size, lots of space to have multiple windows open, a 1080p screen resolution. This resolution might not be great for photographers or creative types who demand higher resolution, but perfect for Word docs, spreadsheets, and YouTube. Besides a USB Type-C connector port, an HDMI port, so you may need to invest in an HDMI and USB adapter for older laptops and desktop computers. A 75Hz refresh rate, which is slightly higher than the standard 60Hz you'll find on older flat screen monitors, but it's probably too low for hardcore gamers who demand higher refresh rates to capture every frame of information while gaming. But for watching videos and casual gaming, it's fine. And an audio jack to connect external speakers, a headset, or headphones. Setting up the monitor is a snap. The toolless stand is easy to put together and attaches to the back. And the monitor is VESA mount compatible if you don't want to use the stand and would prefer to use a monitor arm or wall mount. On the stand, the monitor is height adjustable, can be tilted, and even rotated 90 degrees for all you coders and developers out there. We had 2 people here try out the MSI MD271PW for a week, and here are their thoughts. Pros: great screen size, big enough to view or work on multiple documents or windows alongside each other. Great image quality, bright colors and images look great on screen. Great ergonomics, easily adjust the height of the screen to match your eye level for greater comfort. Cons: rotating the screen 90 degrees isn't that easy. The stand could be more stable as it felt wobbly. It's not curved, but this could be a pro depending on your preference. In conclusion, this is a great looking budget-friendly monitor that's perfect for home and office use, but hardcore gamers and creative professionals will have to look at more expensive monitors to get the features that they want. The MSI Modern Display is an easy recommendation for not only being easy on the eyes, but also easy on the wallet. Now to win this very monitor, all you have to do is give a thumbs up to the video, subscribe, tell us why you want to win in the comments, then head over to our Instagram page at Visions Electronics, follow the link in the bio, and fill out the form. The winner will be contacted by email. And stay tuned for more product reviews, contests, tutorials, and tips in the near future.